This question is obviously testing punctuation. All of the choices are exactly the same except for the punctuation, so we know we need to think about that. And if we have memorized a very important rule for the SAT, this is really a breeze. We can see that we're dealing with a list of things here, right? Hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings. So we probably just know from our own experience how to punctuate lists, but even if we're a little iffy on it, remember, there's a clear rule with semicolons. In order to use a semicolon on the SAT, we need a complete sentence before the semicolon and a complete sentence after the semicolon. Basically, a semicolon acts as a period. We could substitute a period for a semicolon and it would be the exact same. So unless you can put a period there after hearings, after depositions, you're not going to be using a semicolon. And we definitely wouldn't put a period because the end of the sentence isn't a sentence. It's just continuing a list of things. So C is the answer here. Hopefully you got that right. But if not, at least remember how semicolons are used. That is something that you will use on easy questions like this one, and much, much harder questions where we do need to consider things like complete sentences, independent clauses, dependent clauses, all that kind of craziness. Semicolons have a very clear rule in the SAT. Commit it to memory and test it every time you see a semicolon in a choice.